close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting. Say you lost some life. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night and then the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me away. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Thank you very much, Martina. Beautiful. We are now on live stream. If you want to see it, it's on the Facebook page for More to Dance. Moving on to the competition, number 57 from Belgium. Elaine, please come to the floor. Music, please.
The minute you walked in the joint, I could see you were a man of distinction, a real big spender. Good looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind? So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my clothes for every man I see.
Well done. Thank you very much for that delightful performance. Continuing on with number 47 from Poland, Joanna. Okay, music please.
I
competitor comes from France. Number 80, Marie, please come onto the floor. Music, please. Stop the music, please. Are you okay to continue? Okay. Music, please.
Automático, semifanático, como se siente si rebota lo romántico. A 150 que no haya prisa y que solo sea el testigo y los parabrisas. Ponlo en automático, semifanático, como se siente si rebota lo romántico. A 150 que no haya prisa y que solo sea el testigo y los parabrisas. Yo quiero ver cómo se siente ese carno de escape. Hagamos un fútbol con ese bote. Dígame usted si me permite que le desbate. Quieres que el cinturón te lo desate. Dame luz verde y se va a dar la bandera. Activo que empieza la carrera. Esto está muy lento, creo que me tiene en primera. Dale fuego, papi, y acelera. Y como el party, vamos a meterle gasolina de Ferrari. Sabes que Medina y Argentina yo no tomo el país. Que esta noche no se termina y si es necesario lo estacionamos en la banquina. Y dentro del auto nos hagamos party, los cuerpos bailan al ritmo de Dale, dale. Tanto grito que se rompen los cristales. Te altera, mami, si no vitales. Ponlo en automático, semifanático, como se siente si rebota lo romántico. A 150 que no haya prisa y que solo sea el testigo y los parabrisas. Ponlo en automático, semifanático, como se siente si rebota lo romántico. A 150 que no haya prisa y que solo sea el testigo y los parabrisas. Los pisos privados, yo soy tu bebé. Todos estados no son solo bebés. Cuando te cagas y se sigue caliente.
Thank you very much, Maria. Thank you. Kari? Okay. Okay. Thank you, judges. The next competitor is number 50, Ava from Poland. Music, please.
I look up from the ground to see your sad into your eyes. You look away from me, and I see there's something you're trying to
Can we stop
hide.
please, the music? Okay, to start. Thank you very much. Music, please.
I look up from the ground to see your sad into your eyes. You look away from me, and I see there's something you're trying to hide. And I reach for your hand, but it's cold. You pull away again, and I wonder what's on your mind. And then you say to me, you made a dumb mistake. You start to tremble when your voice begins to break. You say the cigarettes on the counter once your friends, they were my mates. And I feel the color drain from my face. And my friend said, I know you love her, but it's over, mate. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. Let her go, it'll be alright. So I still look back at all the messages you'd sent, and I know it wasn't right, but it was messages with my head. And everything deleted like the past year is gone. And when I touched your face, I could tell you're moving on. But it's not the fact that you kissed him yesterday, it's the feeling of betrayal that I just can't seem to shake. And everything I know tells me that I should walk away, but I just wanna stay. And my friend said, I know you love her, but it's over, mate. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. Let her go, it'll be okay. It's gonna hurt for a bit of time. So bottoms up, let's forget tonight. You find another and you'll be just fine. Let her go. Nothing heals.
Thank you very much. Lovely performance. We will continue on with number 51 from England. Can Petter come to the floor, please? Number 51, Petter, please come to the floor. Come on, put your hands together, everyone. Everyone's sleepy today. Thank you. Music, please. Thank you very much. Thank you for that performance. We now move on to number 49 from Finland. Birgitta, please come onto the floor for your routine. Thank you, music.
sepas por mí. Era bueno o malo lo mismo, cualquiera lo sospeché. Un aire diferente y antes de veces me sentí culpable de que aquí no fuera navegable y te pedí perdón de mi frente.
Thank you very much, Vivica. Thank you. Okay, judges, you need to come together, please. Judges, you need to go to Tori. We will be following this with number 60, Rosanna from the Netherlands. Thank you, judges. Number 60, please, Rosanna from the Netherlands. Please take your position. Music, please.
Secrets, followers, visions. We can't forget the animal inside got a hold of us. We don't feel regret. Everything is twisted, but we don't feel a thing. There's no resistance. It's in our blood, no escape. Can't outrun, no, we can't get away. It's in our blood, in our veins. This is the road we made. This is the road we made.
Thank you very much, Rosanna. Thank you for that performance. Continuing on with number 58 from Belgium. Cadets, would you like to come to the floor, please? Music, please.
First time that I saw him, wonder how many girls he had up and left haunted. But if he's a ghost, then I can be a phantom. dreams. You should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams. I know I'm gonna be with you, so take my time. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? How this is gonna go? Touch me and you'll never be alone. Island breeze and the lights down low. No one has to know. Ready for it?
Thank you very much for that energetic performance. Thank you, thank you. We'd like to see number 90 next, please, from Belgium. 90. I'm glad everyone's woken up. Yes. Okay. Music?
There's a tornado in my city, in the basement. That shit ain't pretty. Rugged whiskey, we surviving. A break of kisses, sweet redemption, passing time. Yeah. Ooh, one step to the right, we headed to the dive bar. We always thought was nice. Ooh, run me to the left and spin me in the middle, boy. I can't read your mind. This ain't Texas, ain't no hold'em. They got our cars down, 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 down. So pop your Lexus, pull your keys out, stick them around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real life boogie, a real life hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now. Just let me in the middle, boy. I can't read your mind. This ain't Texas, ain't no hold'em. Lay our cars down, 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 down. No, pop your Lexus, hey, throw your keys up, stick them around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I cannot dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real life boogie and a real life hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor. I'll be damned if I cannot dance with you. Come pour some liquor on me, honey, too. It's a real life boogie and a real life hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now. Hold on, Jack, shoot.
Thank you, yes, happy all around. Thank you very much. And the last competitor, number 59 from Belgium. Lisa, please come to the floor. Music, please.
She lives in the shadow of a lonely girl. Voice so quiet you don't hear a word. Always talking but she can't be heard. You can see it there if you catch her eye. I know she's brave but it's trapped inside. Scared to talk but she don't know why. Wish I knew back then what I know now. Wish I could somehow go back in time and maybe listen to my own advice. I tell her to speak up, tell her to shout out, talk a bit louder, be a bit prouder. Tell her she's beautiful, wonderful,
Thank you very much. Can we have the chairs removed, please? We're continuing on with the Combi Duo Senior Ballroom Championships Class 2 for your second final. Numbers 2, 3, 4, 13 and 26. Please come onto the floor and we change our adjudicators. Thank you very much. 4, 5, 6. Do we have 7? We have 7 judges. Lovely. Okay, competitors, it's time for your waltz. This is your final. Please wait. We've got a judge missing, I think. 1, 2. Oh, Maria. Okay. No. Okay. So competitors, we have 5 dances. We're just waiting for one of the judges. So take a deep breath. Put on your smile. And let's dance. Music, please.
Streams, you and I sharing dreams, floating free, feels like we're flying, touching down here and there, hitting ground, losing air, getting up, staying together.
Thank you, dancers. A lovely waltz. Beautiful. We're going to move on now to change the tempo to the tango. So you don't have to smile in this dance. Music, please. Well done. Congratulations on your second dance. We're now going to move on to the first Viennese waltz of this event in your second final. So, big deep breath. And away we go, music please.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. You between my arms.
Thank you very much, couples. Lovely dancing. So to give you a rest, let's introduce them to you. Our first couple in this final is number 2 from Malta. Take a bow. Our second finalist is from Germany, number 3. Our next finalist is from the Netherlands, number 4. We're now going to Belgium, number 13. And also from Belgium, number 26. Take a bow. Hopefully that's given you a little rest. Get your breath back for your foxtrots. Music, please.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York. These vagabond shoes are longing to stray right through the very heart of it. New York, New York. I want to wake up in a city that doesn't sleep and find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. These little town blues are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it.
Thank you, competitors. A short trip down to New York. But now we're back in Malta, so we need you to spread yourselves out. Few deep breaths. And get ready for your quick step. Music. Come on, put your hands together. Come on. Cheer on. Yay, we're waking up at last. Well done. Okay, we're going to move on to the Latin four dance for people with special needs. We have 7 in this final, so we'd like to see numbers 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. 7 couples, judges. We have a change of judging panel. We have 7. Good luck, everybody. Music, please. Cha cha cha. Well done. Your next dance will be the samba. So please take your positions. Spread yourselves out for your samba. Music, please. What a wonderful samba. Well done, everybody. Lovely. You're going to spread yourselves out. Take a deep breath and you're going to do your rumba. Please dance a beautiful rumba for us.
Who knows how long I've gone here? You know I love you still. Well, I'll wait till I'll be like, if you want me to, I will. Or if I ever saw you, I didn't catch your name, but it never
Wonderful dancing. Take a bow. Yes. Lovely. And it's your last dance of this final. So we have a problem in the middle with the shoelace. So bear with us a moment, please. Are you okay now? Lovely. Okay, it's jive time.
This old house once knew its children. This old house once knew its wife. This old house once home covered as they marched on the line. This old house once rang laughter, but this old house heard many shouts. Now it trembles in the darkness when the lightning walks about. Ain't gonna need this house no more. Ain't gonna need this house no more. Ain't got time to fix the shingles. Ain't got time to fix the floor. Ain't got time to oil the hinges. No one in the window pane. Ain't gonna need this house no more. Oh, this old house is getting shaky. This old house is getting out. This old house I see the rain. This old house I see it go. Oh, its knees are getting chilly, but it feels no fear or pain. 'Cause she's an angel peeking through a lovely window pane. Ain't gonna need this house no longer. Ain't gonna need this house no more.
Thank you, competitors. Well done, couples, on a lovely final. Thank you very much. That was your last dance. We're going to move on now with the Senior Amateur Ballroom Challenge Cup. Event number 38, and we have 3 competitors, 3 couples. Number 70, 72, and 73. Please come onto the floor. 1, 2, 3. Fabulous. Come on, you can put your hands together for them. Cheer them along. Okay, 5 dances we have. Your first one is the waltz. Thank you very much.
Some say love, it is a river that drowns the tender reed. Some say love, it is a razor that leaves your soul to bleed. Some say love, it is a hunger, an endless aching need. I say love, it is a flower, and you, it's only seed. It's the heart afraid of breaking that never learns to dance.
Thank you very much. What number do you want? Can't hear you. Can't hear you, still can't hear you. Okay. Second dance is tango. Here we go. we're going to continue on with your Viennese waltz. So, deep breath, or a few deep breaths. Put on your smile and take the music. Thank you very much, competitors. Beautiful Viennese waltz. Just to give you a little break, let's introduce them to you so they can take a bow. Number 70 from England, take a bow. Number 72 from Malta. Number 73, take a bow, also from Malta. Hopefully that's given you a little rest after your Viennese waltz. And you can now take your places, please, for your slow foxtrot.
Why do you do what you do? You know that it's bad for you. Learned it before, but I'll say it once more. Why do you do what you do? Oh, why do you do what you do? You keep me waiting on the corner of the dead end road, and I'm hoping you'll remember where you're supposed to go. 47 minutes later, you come up on the hop just to ask me for $1, 'cause you don't have enough. Oh, why do you do what you do? You know that it's bad for you. Learned it before, but I'll say it once
Come
more.
on, none of you want
Why
that.
do you
Cheer
do
it on.
what you do? Oh, why do you do what you do? So we go out on the main drag. It's a Saturday night, and we're all walking with a swagger. And everybody's all
Thank you very much, dancers. Well done. Just for the records, you will find there are timetables around the room for your transportation back to the airport. We're not trying to get rid of you, I'm just trying to give these dancers a little rest. So, stuck on the wall, you will find the timetable for the buses for the airport when you decide to go home. Not now, though, thank you. Not today. Break over, quick step time.
Shake it like Sister K. Shake it like a ball, jelly, like a big mama. Wanna let you know that my Sister K could do it all so nice now. All the boys in the neighborhood, hey, good shit, that's mighty good. Brother, baby, like my love, we up today. When I get you, my Sister K, oh yeah. You know I want you for your every night now. All the boys in the neighborhood, cake and chili is mighty good. When I give you like that, I'll be up to date. When I shake it like a sensitive cake, oh yeah, shake it like a sensitive cake.
Well done, competitors. I'm glad to see everyone's decided to clap. Well done. For your first final. Moving on, we are doing the event 15, the Duo Latin American Championships, please. We would like to see the couples onto the floor for the Duo Latin American Championships, Class 2. Event number 15, please. It's your first final. Two couples, number 1 and number 30. Is that correct? Ladies, are you number 1? Thank you very much, appreciate it. Okay, we have 5 dances, so let's begin with your cha-cha-cha-cha. Thank you very much, competitors, for your lovely cha-cha-cha. Lively start to this 5-dance competition. Our next dance will be the samba. Music maestro, please.
Let
Well done, competitors. And lively samba. Come on, they deserve more than that. Put your hands together. Support them. Come on. Wakey, wakey. Is there anyone there? Wake up. Okay. Rumba is calling. Music, please.
Satisfy my soul. Let the day begin. Make the evening roll. Let the big sky in. Satisfy my heart. It's so good to feel. Love is all around, and all the hurt will heal. Oh, this is what my heart needs to feel. Oh, this is what my heart needs to feel. Satisfy my soul. Take away this pain. Something has to end to begin again. Satisfy my heart. It's so good to feel. Love is all around.
Well done, dancers. Lovely performances there. Come on, you can do better than that. Put your hands together. Our fourth dance for this competition is the Paso Doble. Music, please. Thank you very much. Well done. Lively performance. So, we have two couples here. We have one from Belgium, number 1. Take a bow. And the second couple is number 30 from Denmark. Thank you, competitors. We have your last jive of this event. Last and final dance. Jive time.
I love you 'cause I want to. I love you 'cause I want to. Sometimes I wonder, baby, why I put up with you. You ought to pay attention. I got a better things to do. I could be 10 hours down to
second final for event 56 is the Latin ball dance for people with special needs. So can we see numbers 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100, please? 7 couple final judges. 7 in this final. Thank you, Ivana. Come on, put your hands together for them. Okay. Do we have our judges? Yes, we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 7. Okay, we're ready. Okay. Cha-cha-cha. Well done. Lovely cha-cha. Well done. Take a bow. Well done. Okay. Now take your places, please, for your second dance. Samba. Okay, so we're okay, everybody? Music, please. Thank you very much, competitors. Well done on a bright and breezy samba. Okay, we're going to slow it down this time, and we're going to have a rumba. So a nice, slow, sexy rumba. Okay. Music, please.
was made for loving you. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. And tonight, I wanna lay at your feet. 'Cause girl, I was
Well done. Congratulations on this fabulous final. All 7 couples. So far we've had 3 dances. We need to do our final dance, which is your jive. So put your hands together, everybody, for their jive. Music, please. Well done. Lovely dancing. Not sure about the clapping though. You all nodded off and fallen asleep. Well done, dancers. Thank you very much. Well done. Thank you. We're going to follow this with the Senior Amateur Ballroom Challenge Cup. 5 dance events. We have 3 couples in this final. Number 70, 72 and 73. 3 couples. Behind you. No, we have 2 couples. That's it. Put your hands together for them all, please. All 3 couples. And it's waltz time. Thank you, music.
Dirty tissues, trust issues, glasses on the sink, they didn't fix you. Lonely pillows in a stranger's bed, little voices in my head. Secret keeping, stop the bleeding, lost a delayed awake because I wasn't reading all the songs that I can't listen to tell the truth. Loving you was young and wild and free.
let down my defenses. Loving you had consequences. Hesitation, awkward conversation, running on expectation. Every sign that I was ignoring, I'm paying for.
Thank you, couples. Lovely slow waltz. Beautifully danced. And now it's turn for the tango. Take up your positions, please. Music maestro, please. Thank you, dancers. Wonderful dancing. Lovely tango. We have 5 dances in this final, so the next dance is the Viennese waltz. So a big deep breath, find your places, and let battle commence. Music, please.
When you feel like you're ready to go somewhere you've never been, make a wish and the dream in you grows, shining as bright as day, carrying you far away. The story begins with a light in your heart, a fantasy, a dream and a spark. Once you believe you are ready to shine, the princess inside you will show you are the glow. You are the glow. Look around, take in all that you see. You just might be surprised.
Come on, that's your favorite number.
Above the shine and your majesty, you'll be discovered. The princess that you're meant to be. The story begins with a light in your heart, a fantasy, dream and a spark. Want to believe you are ready to shine.
Thank you very much. Well done, competitors. Just so you can have a break, let's introduce you to the audience. So we have from England, number 70. Take a bow. From Malta, number 72. Take a bow. The more you milk it, the longer you got to rest. And also from Malta, number 73, take a bow. Right, okay. Deep breath. Corners, and here we go for Foxtrot. Music, please.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You've got to give a little, take a little, and let your poor heart break a little. That's the story of, that's the story of love. You've got to laugh a little, cry a little, until the clouds roll by a little. That's the story of, that's the story of love. Ooh, as long as there's the two of us, we got the world in its charm.
And when the world is through without the loop, we got just
You got to a little, lose a little, and always have to lose a little. That's the story of, that's the glory of love.
As long as there's the two of us, we got the world and all its charm.
You've got to live a little. That's the foxtrot. Live a little. Take a deep breath. Milk those bowels so you can have the energy there to do your quick step. So our final dance in this final will be your quick step. So places, please. Music maestro, here we go. Good luck, everybody.
That's a twist!
Trust me.
Man wanted, man real man wanted, Mr. Rough and Tough, oh kiss me till I cry. Man wanted, tall, dark and tan wanted, about this much across and just about yay high. Previous experience required, plus a lifetime guarantee to satisfy. Man wanted, no Peter Pan wanted. These ain't no kitty toys, the boys need not apply. Woo!
Thank you, couples. We continue with the championship class 2 duo Latin. Couple number 1 and couple number 30. Please come on the floor. We're going to start with a cha-cha.
There's something about his mind.
couples. Your second dance will be the samba. Thank you, couples. Your third dance will be the rumba.
Ay, cariño, acompáñame, caminemos al atardecer, despacito y descubriremos. Sígueme a los pirámides de Peregrino, siento tu soledad, pero lo que busques estás por encontrar. Ay, mi cielo, quiero lejos escapar. Subiremos hasta el altar. Pirámides de amor. Pirámides de Yo te enseño el valle del amor, sendas de ardor, muy lejos de
Thank you, couples. Miss Pippa, can you come to the scrutineers, please? Take place for your fourth dance, the Paso Doble.
fabulous passes Ole. Okay. We need you now to take your places for your fifth and final dance in this competition, in this championship, which will be your jive. So, it's jive time! Music. Well done, competitors, for that magnificent jive. Time for a nice little break, and judges, you can have a comfort break for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, judges, and some general dancing for the others to have a practice. We will be following this with the Single Lady Conventional Championship. Event number 30 will be on in 5 minutes. Thank you.
Look at me, tell me what you see. Do you see no love at all? Or do you see in me what you always see in every girl that you fall for? I will show you how love is meant to be. Just watch and learn and listen to me. Will you ever see the day heartache leads astray? Good love will always come from me. Will you ever learn to love without a little doubt? Good love will always come from me. Will you look away? Is it mean to say that you hold tonight and day? And does it hurt your heart when I say let's stop to heal the part that's been torn? Don't you see that I'm really worth the try? And I say to you, I know just what to do. Will you ever see the day heartache leads astray? Good love will
And we will go with event number 30, Single Lady Conventional Championship Class 1. Can we have all 4 couples to the floor, or 4 competitors to the floor? Number 61, 62, 63 and 64. Judges, please. I got a judge missing. I need 7 judges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Lovely. Okay. Competitors, it's waltz time. Good luck.
Don't be afraid now, beautiful girl. Show me your courage and then show the world. Sing and soaring so fast and so high. Pretend that this world is as vast as the sky. Pretend you are brave and then wave.
Thank you very much, dancers, for a lovely waltz. Well done, ladies. Your second dance is the tango. So take up your positions. Music, please. Thank you, ladies, for your wonderful tango. We're going to change the rhythm now and go to the Latin. We're going to start with a samba. So take up your positions. Music, please. Well done, fabulous. Okay, we're going to slow it down a bit. And it's time for a nice rumba. Music, please.
Let's move again, get on. You got that heat that I want. Just like it's saying in the song. Sit on the door, let's move again, get on. We got this king size to ourselves. Don't have to share with no one else. Don't keep the secrets to yourself. It's all my secrets you'll tell. Yeah. Oh, there's love in your eyes. Calls me closer. Calls me closer. I'm in trouble. I'd love to be in trouble with you. Let's move again, get it on. You got that heat that I want. Just like it's saying in the song. Sit on the door, let's move again, get it on. You got to give it up to me. I'm screaming mercy, mercy, please.
Thank you very much, ladies. Well done. Let's give them a round of applause. Let's see number 61 from Denmark. Take a bow. 62 from Finland. Take a bow. 63 from England. Take a bow. And 64 from Belgium. Take a bow. Well done, ladies. Your final dance is jive time.
We
Thank you very much. And judges, we're getting you some chairs for the show dance. The over 16 group show dance is coming next, event 55. So judges, come have a seat, have a little rest. We need one more, please. One more seat. One more seat. Oh. It's okay, we've done it. Spread yourselves out, judges. Make yourself comfortable. The first group is from Malta, 170, Freestyle Dance Studio. Music, please. Well done. Thank you very much, the Free Dance Studio. Thank you, ladies. Thank you. And the next group is from Germany, 174 Frankfurt. If you'd like to make your way on, please. Okay. Music, please.
Watch me dance, dance a little way. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance a little way. I'll still keep the party burning and I won't get out of place. Lately I've been moving close to the edge, still been looking my best. I stay on the beat, you can count on me. I ain't missing no steps. 'Cause every room has chasing in your bells, don't give a damn. When the night's here, I don't do tears, baby, no chance. I could dance, I could dance, I could dance. Watch me dance, dance a little way. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance a little way. I'll still keep the party burning and I won't get out of place. When my heart breaks, when my world shakes, I don't play safe. Don't you know about me? I could dance, I could dance, I could dance. Even when it tastes like diamonds on my face, I still keep the party going. I won't get out of this. Even when it tastes like diamonds, it's like a kiss. Watch me dance, dance a little way. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance a little way. I'll still keep the party burning and I won't get out of place. When my heart breaks, when my world shakes, I don't play safe. Don't you know about me? I could dance, I could dance, I could dance.
Thank you, 174 Frankfurt, Germany, for your team. Lovely. We continue on with 173, also from Malta. Dance Studio Freestyle. 173 to the floor, please. Okay. Music, please.
Early in the morning, I still get a little bit nervous. Fighting my anxiety constantly, I try to control it. Even when I know it's been forever, I can still feel the spin. Urge when I remember and I never wanna feel it again. Don't know if you get it, 'cause I can't express so thankful I am that you were always with me when it hurts. I know that you don't understand. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Trying every day when I hold my breath, spinning out of space, pressing on my chest. I don't wanna lose control. Sometimes I still think it's coming, but I know it's not. Trying to breathe in and out, but the air gets tight. Even though I'm old and knowing I know how to shake off the past, I wouldn't have made it if I didn't have you holding
Thank you very much. Well done. Lovely performance. Now we have 171 from France. To hand. Thank you. Like to come onto the floor? 171. Are we okay? Music, please.
When people come to see us, they know they will see people in wheelchairs dancing with standing people, so the look they have on disabilities is a caring look. Whatever our condition, we learn to dance. Obviously, the guidance is a little lower than with people standing. Steps are the same.
There's mountains on Mars and riverbeds too. Infinite stars and it's me and you. There's nothing he's doing, just keep on moving and be here now with me. Won't you be here now with me? Dance, 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 let it be. That's all over me. Come on and dance, 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 let it be. That's all over me. Tonight with me, tonight with me. Won't you cut it up and dance all over me? Tonight with me, tonight with me. Won't you cut it up and dance all over me? Cut it up and dance all over me. Cut it up and dance all over me. You walk through the desert looking forward to your knees. You're perfectly secure and move as disease. It's a one-stop shop for that heart spreads out. Be here now with me. Won't you be here now with me? Tonight with me, tonight with me. Won't you cut it up and dance all over me? Tonight with me, tonight with me. Won't you cut it up and dance all over me? Cut it up and dance all over me. Cut it up and dance all over me.
Well done, dancers. Thank you for that performance. Well done. Thank you. Our next team is 175 from Belgium, Mad World Rolling Stars. Please come onto the floor. Okay, for music? Yeah. Thank you.
Around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going
your mad world routine. Well done. Take a bow. Lovely, thank you very much. And our final routine of this event, 176 Studio and Freestyle Dance from Malta. Please come up to the floor. Okay. Music, please.
Ladies all across the world, listen up, we're looking for recruits. If you're women, let me see your hands, stand up and salute. Get your killer hits, because pumps always like your boots. Representing all the women, salute. So ladies all across the world, listen up, we're looking for recruits. If you're women, let me see your hands, stand up and salute. Get your killer hits, because pumps always like your boots. Representing all the women, salute. Salute. It's who we are, we really are. If you're with me, women, let me see you say. Ladies all across the world, listen up, we're looking for recruits. If you're women, let me see your hands, stand up and salute. Get your killer hits, stick these pumps always with your boots. Representing all the women, salute, salute. Salute. Representing all the women, salute, salute. We are everywhere, warriors, your country needs you. If you're ready, ladies, better keep steady, ready. Ain't it show me that ambition's on a mission, and we'll hit you with the truth. Queens, we don't need nobody. We are everywhere, warriors, your country needs you. If you're ready, ladies, better keep steady, ready. Ain't it show me that ambition's on a mission, and we'll hit you with the truth. Representing all the women, salute, salute. It's who we are, we really are. If you're with me, women, let me see you say. Ladies all across the world, listen up, we're looking for recruits. If you're women, let me see your hands, stand up and salute. Get your killer hits, stick these pumps always with your boots. Representing all the women, salute, salute. Representing all the women, salute, salute. We're just pretty things. You couldn't be more. Stand strong, yes, but we keep moving up, yeah. Can't stop the heartbreaking, ladies, it's time to awake. Yeah. Representing all the women, salute.
Thank you, dancers. Well done. Thank you, Malta. That concludes our show dance. Well done, girls. Thank you. We will be continuing on with event 57. 57 is the next event. Ballroom Four Dance Championships for people with special needs. Event 57 is next, judges. Okay, can we see the competitors, please, for event 57? Ballroom File Dance Champions with special needs. Numbers 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99. There should be 6 couples on the floor. And we have 7 judges. Dancers, would you like to come onto the floor, please? We have our 7 judges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7. Dancers, please come onto the floor. Put your hands together for them, everybody. Come on. Show your support. It's time for their ballroom this time. So they're going to get ready for their waltz. Space yourself out nicely. Okay. Music, please. It's waltz time.
There was a man, a lonely man, who lost his love through his indifference. A heart that cared, that went unshared until he died within his silence. In solitaire's the only game in town, and every road that takes him down. By himself, it's easy to pretend he'll never love again.
Beautiful waltz. Well done, everybody. Well done, couples. We're going to move on with our second dance, which will be your tango. So get yourselves ready for your tango. Okay, music, please. Tango. Your third dance of this competition is your Viennese waltz. The beautiful Viennese waltz. Music, please. Put your hands together, everybody. Clap. Come on, they need your support. Clap with them. Wonderful. Wonderful Viennese waltz. I'm glad this end of the room is clapping because this end's gone to sleep. Wakey, wakey down there. The trophy end. Wakey, wakey. Anyone there? Yes. Okay. We need your support for this last dance. The quick steps. So everybody, stand up if you can and clap your hands. Ready, music, and...
Beneath its snowy metal golden, the unborn grass lies waiting for its gold to turn to green. The snowbird sings a song he always sings, and speaks to me of flowers that will bloom again in spring. When I was young, my heart was young then too. Anything that it would tell me, that's the thing that I would do. But now I feel such emptiness within. For the thing that I want most in life, the thing that I can win. Spread your tiny wings and fly away, and take the snow back with you where it came from on that day. What I love forever is untrue, and if I could, you know that I would fly with you. The breeze along the river seems to say that it'll only break my heart again should I decide to stay. So little snowbird, take me with you when you go to the land.
Thank you, couples. Well done, everybody. On an amazing final. Well done. Take a bow. Fabulous. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. For the moment. We will continue on with event 30, Single Lady Conventional Class 1. Please come onto the floor, number 61, 62, 63, and 64. We should have 4 competitors from Denmark, Finland, England, and Belgium. Yay! Well done. Fantastic. You have 5 dances, and your first dance will be the waltz, please, music. Thank you very much, ladies, for that beautiful waltz. It's now time for your tango. Dramatic style, staccato tango, please. Okay, ladies, music, please. Well done, ladies. Fabulous. We're going to change now to the Latin rhythm. And we're going to go to Rio for a lovely samba. Music, please.
Skip to the bit, my darling. Oh, you look so pretty there. Keep on skipping and keep on bipping. Everybody just step in time.
Well done, ladies. Fabulous samba. Okay. We're going to slow it down. We're going to have a rumba. A beautiful rumba. Places, please. Music maestro.
As for the way you look at me, oh, it's for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. He is even more than anyone that you adore. Love is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two and love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love was made for me and you.
Well done, ladies. Okay, let's introduce them individually. Take a bow, number 61 from Denmark, please. Well done. Take a bow, number 62 from Finland, please. And from England, number 63, take a bow. And last but not least, 64 from Belgium, take a bow. Well done, ladies. It's that final dance. It's jive time. Thank you very much, Canada. Fabulous job. Well done, everybody. Congratulations on your final. And now it's turn 33, event 33, the turn of the juniors for your challenge cup. First time we've seen these three couples today. Number 67, 68, and 69, all from Malta. Please come onto the floor for your Latin competition. Okay. Spread yourselves out. We have cha-cha-cha first, please. Music, please.
se me agita el corazón y son tus labios sabrosos los que encienden mi obsesión.
Well done, dancers, for that fabulous cha-cha-cha. Nice introduction to your event. We will continue on with your samba. So take your places for your samba. And let's hear, what number do you want? Who are you supporting today? Come on, call their numbers. Bit louder. Okay. I don't understand Dutch. Samba, please. Music. Put your hands together.
Shake, 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 Sonora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sonora, shake it all the time. Work, Sonora, work your body line. Work, Sonora, work it all the time. I can take Sonora, dance like over. When she dances so bad, she's a high skating all kinds of fun. Jump in the line, rock your body line. 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 Shake, 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 Sonora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sonora, shake it all the time. Work, Sonora, work your body line. Work, Sonora, work it all the time.
Well done, working that body. Fabulous samba. Beautiful dancing. Young athletic children. Okay, it's time to slow it down for your romantic rumba. So find a space. Music maestro.
All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray. I went for a walk on a winter day. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California dreaming on such a winter day. I went into a church. I stopped along the way. When I got down on my bended knees and I began to pray, you know the preacher is a call. He knows I'm gonna stay. He knows I'm gonna song. California dreaming on such a winter day.
Thank you, couples, for a delightful rumba. Beautifully executed. Now take your places for your fourth dance. The Paso Doble. Music, please. Magnificent. So much talent in this room. Okay, let's introduce them to you. Take a bow, number 67. Take a bow, number 68. Take a bow, 69. Well done. Okay. Guys and girls, it's your jive. Have fun.
Take me on a date, I deserve it. And don't forget the flowers every anniversary. 'Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying what you need. You got that 9 to 5, but baby, so do I. So don't think I'll be home, I'm baking out never. I'm never learn, but I sing along with me, sing along with me. You gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm not too crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, things you need to know if you want the one and only your life. Dear future husband, if you want to get that special love, tell me you're beautiful each and every night. After every fight, just apologize. And maybe then a lady try and wrap my body right. Even if I was wrong, you know I'm never wrong. Why disagree? Why disagree? You gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm not crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband,
Thank you very much. Well done, competitors, on a great final. Well done. Congratulations. Okay, thank you very much. We will now be carrying on with event 57, the ballroom floor dance champs for people with special needs. So can we see couples 94, 95, 96, 97, 98 and 99, please, to the floor. Hip, hip. Thank you, competitors. Well done. Put your hands together for them. Spread yourselves out. And prepare yourself for your waltz. Lovely. It's waltz time. Music, please.
I say goodbye to love. No one ever cared if I should leave a day. Time and time again, the chance for love has passed me by, and all I know of love is how to live without it. I just can't seem to find it. So I've made my mind up. I must live my life alone. No, it's not the easy way. I guess I've always known I'd say goodbye to love. There are no tomorrows, for this is how
done, competitors. That's it, take your bow. And now we're going to take our places for the tango. Music, please, maestro. Thank you very much, competitors. A wonderful tango. And now we're going to spread ourselves out because it's the Viennese waltz. So we need our space for our Viennese waltz. Music, please, maestro. Thank you very much, dancers. Well done, couples. Take a bow, yes. And take yourself to your space for your final dance. In this final, it will be your quick step. Whoops. Okay, music please.
Somehow we've always been together, but never got together. I never felt the pressure till now. There's something in the air. I'm hearing you just there. I can't pretend that I don't care. One day I might get it right. I'm ready tonight. 'Cause
competitors. Thank you, couples. Take those bows. Thank you very much for a lovely final. Well done. Congratulations. Bye-bye for now. Thank you. We're following this on with the Event 22 and Event 6 combined together. So numbers 12 and 14 and number 13, please come onto the floor. We should have 3 couples total. And there's it out. Just mark it as you see it. 22 and 6. Event 6 and event 22. Numbers should be 12, 14 and 13. We're combining events. Okay. Okay, judges. We're going to start with your waltz, please. Everyone together for the waltz, please. Music, please. Well done, dancers. Lovely waltzes. Couples 12 and 14, you take a break. Just move to one side. And number 13, you're going to carry on with your tango. So 12 and 14 move to one side. Lovely. And we have a demonstration for the tango, please. Thank you very much. Stay on the floor now for your Guineas waltz, please. And then later you'll be joined by the other couples for their quick step. So this will be your Viennese waltz. Lovely, beautiful Viennese waltz. Can we invite the other couples to come back onto the floor, please? Can we have number 12 and number 40 back to the floor? In fact, number 12, take a bow, please. All the way from Germany, number 12. Number 13, all the way from Belgium. Take a bow. And number 40, all the way from Belgium. Also, take a bow. Thank you, couples. I hope that's given you a little break. And we'll now move on with your quick step. Thank you very much, dancers. Congratulations on a wonderful final. Well done. Lovely. And our next final is the juniors' second final, event 33. The judges would like to see numbers 67, 68, and 69. Please to the floor. Three couples. 67, 68, and 69. Junior Championships Latin, please come to the floor for your final. Come on, put your hands together for them. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm sure they're happy you are applauding them. Beautiful. Space yourselves out for your cha-cha-cha.
Well, it's been such a long day.
dancers. I thought you were trying to escape out the way there. You've got this big floor and you're all down one end. Okay, come on down. It's time for your samba. Let's go to Rio. Let's samba. Music, please. Time to slow it down to some sassy rumbas. Sassy rumbas. Take a deep breath. Music, please.
You remember me when the west moves among the fields of barley. You can tell the sun is just a sky when we walked in the fields of gold. So she took her love for to gaze a while among the fields of barley. She fell as her hair came down among the fields of gold. Will you stay with me? Will you be my love among the fields of barley? You can tell the sun is just sky when we walk in fields of gold. I have made promises lightly. There have been some that I've broken, but I swear the day still left.
Thank you, competitors. Thank you, couples, for some magnificent rumbas. Beautifully danced. And now it's the turn of the Paso Doble. We go to España. Thank you, Maestro. Let's have the music. take a bow. And let's hear it for number 67. Take a bow, 67. And 68, take a bow. And 69, take a bow. Truly wonderful dancing. Okay, it's jive time. Here we go. Well done. Thank you very much, competitors, and thank you, judges. Thank you very much for a fabulous final. Well done. Congratulations.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, at the Malta Open Dance Spectacular, we like to try and include everybody. So before the flag parade, we have somebody who was unfortunately unable to come earlier due to other commitments. So we have decided to allow them to do their show now. So first, we're going to have Maria Gauci and Peter Fennick, Summer Loving. So on you come onto the floor, please. And good luck. And next, we have Silvana Kassar and Saviour Patch. Onto the floor, please. Good luck. Give them a round of applause, everybody. Come on.